Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
She is skinny and I'm not. Of course it looks better on her slim body than my stubby chubbies. Or does it?
Funny.
Welcome back to another Is It a Cute Outfit or is she just skinny?
I guess we'll never know.
All I know is I'm tired of Pinterest being 8 with 00 girls and the iced coffee lattes in their tote bags. Please refer to my first video if you want to hear the ins and outs of how this video concept came to be. The point of this video is just for us to see the reality of what outfits really look like. Take it from a 00 skinny mini and put on a size 8, 5 foot tall, wide feet, slightly lactose. She has way too many ingrown hair breakouts type of gal. I think I overshare way too much. I'm gonna recreate and or wear the exact outfits these girls are wearing and I'll be the judge. Everything's from Amazon, linked down below individually. I'll keep it on my Amazon storefront if she's a for lifer. If you're my size, you gotta trust me on this. Outfit 1. My inner thighs are rubbing so hard against each other. Any suggestions? Like chalk? We're not only repping a Victorian dress, we're repping my style figure that this dress illuminates. Fair enough. Skinny mini really out here
Tapping her shoulder, bending her waist.
I'm just trying to figure out how I want to hide my stomach, honestly. I feel like a midwife. I meant a housewife. So this vintage Victorian dress has this puffer sleeve, ruffle, pouch, no stretch in the waist. I don't know how much I love this kind of sleeve style on me. When something's wide enough, why are we making it wider? Do the math. This maxi dress is supposed to come like mid-shin. Girl, she is full-blown long red carpet dress for me. If anything hazardous. Maxi dress? More like a firehouse. We're not holding anything up. Instead, we're challenged how close to the ground it could go. We're playing with physics here. Gravity challenge. It's supposed to have this corset bodice. That's why it's like non-stretch in the middle. Back here needs a little pop. But like, I can't walk like this all day. No hate to Skinny Mini. She is rocking this cottage-inspired wifey material out for a nice little brunch with her besties look. She looks soft and romantic. I look like I've been through the rough and sweaty. Okay, but honestly, the color's cute. And the fun part, the shoulders are not falling off. This is clinging onto my bones. My bones are coming in. No more roundness on the shoulders. I think I look great. It's a cute outfit, not just because she's skinny. Our next outfit is featuring Miss Charlie Brown here. This is a whole aesthetic of its own. I love people who dress preppy. I think it's like the cutest thing. Ooh, I think I got a size large in these checkered pants. Oh my gosh. I try to stray away from these plaid pants styles because
recalculating.
I mean, am I just too quick to judge? I don't think it's an issue though. I think that's a talent. Skinny Mini has this mini vest on. I kind of like that it's this bright brown color. I look just like her. I do. You cannot tell me this is like not her exact outfit. These checkered pants, latte color. It's not really hugging the fupa. She's looking like a checkerboard back here, but like, do we care? The pants are not too long, which I am They don't overrun my legs. My body type is just not fitted for styles like this. Unless you see me as a mid-20 Debbie's girl in the office. So the pushover has to replace the toilet roll in the ladies' room. If you see me as her, then shame on you. Not a lot of quality to the vest. It feels a little bit flimsy. Think of it as me wearing my insecurities. Just very unstable. Not the best. I just don't know. This is throwing me off. I love the preppy look. I think it's so cute on girls with no boobs. I am so envious sometimes of the itty bitty committee because they literally could wear anything and look good. This just looks like I am with one. Make it make sense. Like if you saw me dressed like this on the street, you're gonna be like, Debbie? With that being said, I think she's just skinny. This is it. You have two choices. You either die or you ride. Everyone and their moms are wearing this. Granny is out here looking like a little pocket pout. Take a t-shirt, take a tank top, any color you want. No matter the size you are, small or extra large, take this skirt, pull, obtained, stick in, pull, out, oh, readjust. Like how much I have left of the skirt. Tighten, wrap that baby around, bow it up. Do not walk, run. Are you playing with my feelings? How beautiful. It ruffles to the side. Just stand and look pretty. No matter what size you are, you can adjust to this skirt. Shameless. I just launched these skirts on my website. It's on bedsweatshop.com. Use this code if you want to save. Other boutiques, even Polly Princess, retail these skirts for up to $40. We are not doing that. Be my guest. Pair this outfit with a chunky sneaker. I do not play with the humidity. I do not play with anything over 82 degrees. But if I had to, this would be my answer to all my problems. Let Let your inner thighs have a moment. Let them air out. Let them go to war with humidity. They might enjoy it. Same concept. This time I'm gonna make the slit on my left leg. Cinch where you want the slit. I actually like this green one more than the blue one. I think I'm onto something. It's not because she's skinny, it's because it's a freaking cute ass outfit. Okay, I have thoughts on this. Grab yourself some khakis. Try to be in your no judgment zone right now. This is in the size large, okay. Never mind, never mind. Wow, I did not expect to feel this good in these khakis. They're long. To add a spicier element to the outfit, you want like a one shoulder like this. I didn't realize that her outfit was like a sleeve here. Missed that one. I don't like this top. This is too small to literally see how high it comes up and it's like uneven. Just reminding me that like one girlie is bigger than the other. Also, there's a stain on the back. Now back to the pants. I was like nervous about how long it was gonna be. Your girl's done with this midget reputation. Don't go there. It swallow gobbles me up. Makes my stomach feel tiny and curvy. Kinda not really. It's nice around the hips. It does not crunch up your ribs. Yes, of course you want to pair this up with a little white purse to make this Pinterest pin come alive. If you're frisky, you can give yourself a front and back wedgie. Just really pull up those undie strands and let them hang out like skinny mini. Unfortunately for myself, I am very loyal to my granny panties and their skin tone. The girls got their belly buttons out. You're not really getting the button, but you're getting the belly, that's for sure. Okay, I'm conflicted because this top is just not it. With the right cargos, which I have the right ones on, I think it's a cute outfit. Listen, Linda, I was going for this mauvey camel green. I don't know what happened, but I got this bright ass green. I'm not mad. It's not just your average like knit tube top. It has this little, oh my, how am I gonna get this over my head now? It has this little choker and chokes you from the back. Does this make sense? Is my neck too short? I don't have much length in my neck, but I didn't think it would be a problem. It's telling me that I'm not skinny and long enough up here, and that's why it's grumbling. It's a knit fit. It's a cutout halter top. Some call it a sweater top. Burr. Eye to the naked eye. Tell me it doesn't. But that's what life is all about. Making people question your decisions. If it wanted to, it would. It's not wanting to. Like now I'm just looking like someone's trying to strangle me from the back. It looks like a scarf. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like if I had like slimmer shoulders and a slimmer neck, but this is just wishful thinking. Because I am who I am. Do I look like a dog on a leash, be honest? How's the back looking? Folds over. I don't want someone looking at me thinking like, are you uncomfortable, girl? Can I get you like a neck? It's embarrassing. I like it. Do you like it? I kind of like it.
Denial is a river in Egypt.
Okay, just being realistic and not trying to convince myself that it's working. I do think it's because she's skinny. However, just to say I might keep this. I honestly might. I like the green. Okay, they sent me a small. I ordered a medium, but I'm not mad. It's a long tank. Sierra vibe. These are the #1 seller sweats on Amazon, so I had to grab these ones. Skinny Minnie and all her friends are wearing this lazy outfit. It's a look. This particular aesthetic is to make everyone feel bad when they look at you. Man, how are you so cute when all you're wearing are sweats and a tank, and I look like this when I'm actually trying? I feel bad about myself. That's what we're going for. You want to make them hate themselves. That's exactly what this aesthetic is. And this is not to make you feel bad at all because, I mean, look at me. The good news is we all can look like this. Also, I'm very impressed that Amazon has these tank tops and there's like multiple colors. All the colors. Ribbed scoop is nice. The thinner straps. And then these sweatpants aren't the softest, but they like do. The band is wide enough that it squeezes all your gushers in, and that's what I'm living for. Flannel's not long. All the flannels I have run so long at the back that it looks like I'm drowning, and again, I like to be safe. It covers your arm chubs if you're not into that, or like the back squishies. Again, look how nice. Skinny who? It's a cute outfit, not because she's skinny. What in the fudgery? Either my ponytail's on too tight and I'm tweaking, or this dress is just the worst made thing ever to exist on Amazon. Don't you ever do that again. This is a mini black dress with a little slit. I got a size large because I just thought it's not gonna hug my stomach nicely, and I was right. I mean, I guess it's fine, whatever. I see the effort. They put elastic here to like make it stick to your body, but like what even is it? It's like a sock. This outfit was supposed to be like, you are a daddy's girl. Daddy was meant to pick for your life expenses. You are Zaddy's write-off. You are collecting Zaddy's taxes. Oh my god. This was supposed to give newly 21 dating an overseas Zaddy at the age of 45. He owns 5 restaurants and 2 yachts on both oceans. I look like a con artist. I was supposed to take checks, money order, food stamps. Here for business. I'm not here to play. Con artist. Not me wearing my RJ Chimmy Cookie Tatash. We'll just pretend. It's not going anywhere anyway. Are we giving that vibe? I'm returning this purse. There's no way. My cap is to make me look casual because less is more. We thought you ate, but the only thing you left were crumbs. See my slit? Temptation? I don't like how long it is at the back. It just looks stupid. I look janky. I look like I'm in a confused era of my life. I'm figuring myself out. She looks confident. She looks bold. She's out for money. I'm struggling to pay my car loan is what I look like, so I'm out here trying to scam for money. She's definitely just kidding. And I'm not trying to blame anyone. Just because I can't rock it doesn't mean that you can't if you are a heavier girl. Ridicule. What is it? It's not about our bodies, whether she's skinny or not. It's really honestly about how we work it, how we feel in the outfit, how confident we are. Anyone can wear the same outfit, and as long as they work it, they rock it, that's all that matters. None of your business. Next time when I see you, it's on like Donkey Kong. Until next time, I'm Cindy. Love back.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.